Greetings! I'm Otto the Metalkake. It's so nice to see you all.
We are Otto the Metalkake.
Sure, let us continue our hunt for ARCEUS.
ARCEUS Almighty.
Spooky. Oh yeah, I wanna show you and you something cool. Hey Max, have you ever seen Kimetsu no Yaiba? Demon Slayer? Well, if you haven't, now you can read it.
True.
We picked up some Demon Slayer manga. We have volume 1, 2, and 3.
Can Max read though?
It's Demon Slayer. Pretty good.
It actually looks quite interesting.
Demon Slayer. Pretty good. Next up, figures that the girlfriend picked up recently. Now this might be nostalgic for you. We have some Sailor Moon figures from Bandai. These are Bandai figure arts from the Animation Color edition with the logo of Clamp, and they are posable, simple style, and heroic action.
Heroic action.
Have you seen Sailor Moon?
Yeah, I saw it when I was living in Italy.
Actually, they used to show it here in Finland on TV in Swedish only for some reason. I know Swedish, so that's no problem for me, but it was interesting.
For some reason they didn't localize it here in Finland, which is probably a good thing.
Well, on the other hand, Swedish is an official language in Finland.
Yeah.
That is true.
People should know it. And well, actually, my sister is a big Sailor Moon fan.
Really?
She got some OG art.
Shout out to France's sister. Her name is Francina. So yeah, I think she is gonna keep them all sealed as they are collectible. I wanted to show this to you guys. Anyways, let us continue our hunt for ARCEUS with Alter Genesis.
Okay. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope we find God.
Anything to give me hope to get through the day, to be honest.
We have quite a lot of boosters.
Yep.
Let us all take a pile and see what we can acquire today.
Let's go.
Yes, let's get lucky. I think that's a good plan.
Something every man needs.
At least you.
Oh.
Teddy, we do have pocket Jesus.
Yes. In the background.
Pocket-sized owl.
Kind of a cop-out. though.
Squirrel eggs.
Oh, look
Oh,
at that.
that's
Oh, Leon.
pretty
Did
good.
you mess up the card trick?
Way to cute 'em.
I'm not sure.
I don't know the country. Okay, who wants to go next?
France.
Wow. What? So that's one to the front, you said?
One to the front, I...
Bonus.
Yes.
Let's try that. Let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
It's
What's a good angle?
another Rowlet.
Yeah.
Pocket-sized owl. Monkey.
Okay.
Sandcastle.
Yes.
A shiny.
PC.
Rock my world.
Max's turn.
Okay, speaking of Sun and Moon, we are replaying Sun and Moon as we speak. With the girlfriend and Max as well.
Great. No,
It's so much different.
yeah,
Okay,
no,
let's
no
go.
offense, people to have mental
So we
disease.
have a tag team of Cynthia and the thing.
Oh, it's up then.
A ducklet.
It's open with a Psyduck.
Azuril.
Sure.
Nose pass.
Yeah.
And a
Ooh, nice.
Flygon GX.
Flygon GX.
Yeah.
Some could say cool.
Wicked. Rad. Or
Intense.
bodacious.
Levestone, Trapinch, Skrelp, the offended seal
Yeah.
thingy, and Solgaleo.
It's good.
Nice
think.
little type.
Go.
And that
Dr. Phil.
the Moai.
Bigger nose pass.
Oh.
Good
Ooh,
line.
I like this.
Having the meat ball of destiny. Kitty or something.
Yeah.
Anal and Lana and the other.
I'll go next. Anyway, putta min rumpadildo i här.
Yes, putta min rumpadildo i här.
It's Braviary. And we got Eevee.
Eevee!
A Spheal.
Yeah.
A Larvesta.
And?
And a Totem Trial thingy.
Okay, next.
It's a friendship bracelet, I think.
It's a friendship.
How do you know that?
What? Because I've just recently played the games. Yes, and the Summertime Sadness.
Lantern, Pocket Ice Owl, America, Swoobat, and a Lowland Sandslash.
Oh,
That sounds quite cool.
I like SIMS.
Cool.
Next. One to the front. There's a hurricane.
Weather.
Hurricane Tortilla.
Yeah.
Hey. Lowland Ninetales.
Goodbye.
Let's go.
There's no point.
Let's go. One to the front. We got Dr. Phil. We got the worm. We got the seal. We got the dog.
Is this what they call shower thoughts when
Check it out. Lunala. Okay, Max.
Max.
fuck is Max? Yeah.
It's Earth Ring Snowman Pikachu. I'm trying to avoid the shadow.
Great.
A Heliolisk or Helioptile.
Reptile, I guess.
Young O.
Yeah.
And a Picnic Man.
Tiny ass picnic person.
Yes.
Looks good. Looks
Next.
like diabetes to me. Let's go. Vibrava.
Det var bra va?
Ja, det var jättebra. Det här är Coop Konsum Pikachu. What the hell? Flower.
Bat.
And Kokoromori.
Swoobat.
Wet.
Trying to
Cool.
swoo you.
Okay, France.
Swoon my heart.
Let's get it. We need
No.
Arceus.
What if I pull a Kaiba?
If you pull a Kaiba.
Now this would be the greatest episode of Pokemon card open. Pulling Pokemon cards and Kaiba.
It's gonna be
Yeah,
just
imagine.
Kaiba.
It's a swan.
Bird.
It's a fish.
Skrell.
It's a
Rockruff.
dog. It's a
Litleo.
dog. It's a
Mobile. You should know this. It's an old one. Have you played Ruby or Sapphire?
no, I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of human shape. Mons.
Like Sulk.
Yeah.
Throw.
Or Gardevoir.
Metro. Hey, Gardevoir is nice.
Gardevoir is furry bait.
Check this out. Blue and red tag team, or Red Otogurinu in Japanese.
10 years old, about to set off on the very special journey.
Cockfighting universe.
Before they became eternal enemies
Hey, check it out.
who contemplated murdering their.
I think they're like.
Lycanroc.
I think it's more like enemies to lovers kind of situation. I think.
What?
Maybe.
I'm sure they're boyfriends.
As you do. Right?
Not anymore, you don't.
Well, I mean.
Ambipomu.
Ambipom, yes, with the ball cuts.
The monkey.
Apom.
Breakfast from France.
Sanka.
Sanker, no.
The cutest and most useless Pokemon ever.
Yeah, but I still heard Nebby. How about that?
Get in the f***ing bag, Nebby. What you doing here?
Hey, nice. We got Nate's favorite card, Oricorio.
Bird.
I think it's Chorogel in German.
Got it.
We all speak every European language here.
Of course.
Tutto ciamo, fascisti.
For instance.
Hallo, ich heiße Max, ich bin 25 Jahre alt und
Professional show, you know? Doing the. Well, it depends what your level.
Johnny, la gente está muy loca.
I don't even know what this is.
Lail League.
You should know.
Woobat.
I don't know.
Flower.
I know this one. Oh,
Offended Seal.
get out of here.
We are back.
And we
Your camera died.
Yeah, that's the.
It's the Lion of Destiny.
Yeah, it's whatever.
It's a budget RK9.
It's not Pidoof, it's not Kaiba, it's not even Sabrina, so.
What's the point of Bidoof?
What's the point of anything, actually?
What is the point of Pidoof? Well, you know.
HM Slave.
A
Sandcastle.
Sandgeist. Gollet.
Meatball guy.
No, yeah, no.
Gollet. The small sandcastle.
I don't know what I call him.
Chinko.
Chinchou.
And a Como, I think.
Sure.
Snip. Chop, chop.
Ding dong, bing bing bong.
Hard trick. Twist.
And shards.
Tag
Bin.
team or something. The Fossil of
Bin.
Destiny. The Owl.
Bin.
The Flower.
Bin.
And
I think it's Heliolisk.
Heliolisk.
Bin.
Doodoo. Let's go. Monkey.
Beepum.
Owl. Flower. Seal.
Nice!
Volcarona. Do you like Volcarona?
I love Volcarona. I think it's
Max likes Volcarona.
it's awesome. I'll never forget the moment. In Black and White, you go to the ruins, and then in the deepest room you find this awesome fire sun moth god thing.
It's kind of like Frostmoth and Snom, but
a bit.
Fire.
not on fire.
Mm.
Imagine a moth on fire. Yeah, encountering a moth on fire.
No.
Rather not.
I think before you had time to react, it would just burn up.
Swan. What's this?
Swirlix.
Looks like cotton candy.
Candy floss.
Dog.
Dog.
Rockruff.
Teddy bear.
Technically Arceus.
Drampa. It's a wonderful Pokemon. Everyone at home, remember to appreciate your Drampa before he's gone.
I know something. Sunkern! Fossilized poop. Nacho Libre. And a Lowland Sandslash.
Yes.
Okay, Max.
Yes, I have the honor of finishing this once and for all.
Last pack Max Magic.
Yes, I could.
Max is such a good name. You just need a good last name to go with, you know?
Yeah. I
Like
have a.
Powers.
Magic.
Yes. I think Max is like a. It feels like a nickname though.
Sorta.
Guzman, Allah.
Yes.
Ghost.
American.
Rufflet. Ducklet. Is that
Sorry.
right? Yes. And I do not know how to pronounce this. Decibel? Decibel owl?
There's a goo doo doo.
Decidui.
Yes.
I think. Last pack magic, let's go. My final pack. Let's see what we get. Arceus, Bidoof, Kaiba. We get the pocket-sized owl. We get teddy ears out.
Kind of Arceus though.
Hey, we got Arceus.
Actual Arceus.
Nice. Arceus.
That's kind of
Bidoof.
unbelievable.
And Kaiba.
Yes!
Yeah, last pack magic. That was awesome.
That's great.
Cool. Recap time. So, here is everything worth mentioning today. Favorites? Franz?
I love a Ninetales.
Her.
Yeah.
She's nice. Max? Favorites?
I have to go with Volcarona. I think it's just fantastic. Pokemon.
Volcarona.
Yeah, it's a really nice card.
Yeah.
Powerful.
I guess so. My favorite would be some of these.
It's hard to go wrong.
Typical.
with any of those. You're so basic.
Have you ever played the popular video game known as The Sims?
No.
More than you will ever know.
So, The Sims is a fantastic game, a life simulator if you will. And if you read through the patch notes of The Sims, they are quite hilarious. Let's check out some patch notes. Franz, would you mind reading the newest patch notes for The Sims?
Kleptomaniac Sims can no longer steal subway stations from lots. Okay. Sims can no longer woohoo in the elevator with a Sim who is on a different floor.
This is important now. Max, would you like to continue with the patch notes?
Not sure what woohoo is, but
Intercourse.
oh.
The Grim Reaper will no longer be preventing from reaping souls due to band affiliation.
What?
He does have standards. Fixed a tuning issue so that Sims now vomit at acceptable levels.
At acceptable levels. That is fantastic. It is no longer possible to try for a baby with the Grim Reaper.
That's a shame. I really wanted to do that.
Nope.
Become enemies with child. Wish no longer appears. How about this? Sims who are on fire will no longer be forced to attend graduation before they can put themselves out. So you cannot graduate while on fire.
That's good.
The mental images.
That's a positive thing.
Baby Sims will no longer become stuck on a Sim's hand while driving a car.
What?
How about this? Pregnant Sims can no longer brawl.
That's a shame.
That's bullshit though.
Not so sure that needed a patch. A meteor can hit a building, which case everyone will run out before the collision. Those who do not exit the building will die. Sims automatically leave if a meteor is approaching, unless it is a school, in which children are not allowed to leave, will always die.
I mean, education is important, but it's not that
It
important.
really is.
Last but not least, Sims will no longer receive a wish to skinny dip with mummies.
I wish to skinny dip with mummies.
I wish to graduate on fire.
We found something funny on the internet and we wanted to share it with you. We do not take credit for finding this or collecting this. All credits go to...
Reddit.
That's someone
Now
Reddit.
please do not brawl if you're pregnant.
If you have a chance to try it for baby with the Grim Reaper, go for it. Go.
Oh yeah, that was pretty cool, right? Cool. May I humbly ask you to
Like the video, comment down below, maybe subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next exciting episode.
Weird. Yeah. Let's go.
That's something that's a Sunday.
Airplane. Airplane. Splash.